Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about rotation axis present in BF3. In previous lectures, I discussed about rotation axis present in the BF3, but in this video I will explain more about the rotation axis. So first the symmetry operations. What is the symmetry operations? Symmetry operation is an operation performed on an object. Here object in case of chemistry, your molecule, which leaves it in a configuration that is indistinguishable from and superimposable on the original configurations. Look at BF3 molecule and choose your rotation axis. So you have two axes of rotation here. One is the principal axis, another one is C2 axis. So principal axis pass through boron. So if you rotate this molecule through C3, means 120-degree rotations, this F will come here, and further you will rotate, then this F will come here. So what is the difference between these three compounds? Chemistry same, means this is BF3, this is BF3, this is BF3. Nothing change. But what is happening here? F is here, in this molecule F is here, in this molecule F is here. So if you design this F, so this F is not same here. So you have three indistinguishable molecule but superimposable. So how you are getting such type of thing, of where you are getting the informations? So angle of rotations always 360 by n. Here in BF3 n is equal to 3, then you will get 120. How you know? Because this is a trigonal planar molecules, we know this angle 120 degree. So we are rotating 120 degree, we are getting these three indistinguishable structures. So you see here, this is your main axis, C3 axis, passing through boron. If you have this, just imagine if it is fluorine hydrogens, then this bond, if you pass through axis and rotate it 180, then you will get different structure. Again through this and through this. So you have 3 C2 and 1 C3. C3 is perpendicular to C2 axis of rotations in case of BF3. Here, just imagine if you have the trigonal planar structures. So just imagine this is your boron and this is 3 fluorine. The rotations by 2 pi by 3 radiation means 120. Then what will happen? If A will come here, 2 will go there, and now 3 will come here. So this one and this one is the same as this one is easy because I have pink one fluorine, but here I did the numbering. So this one and this one not looking same. Further rotations, again this C3 will come in this position, this one will go here, and these two will come here. And further rotation you will get the same molecule. So what does it mean? Successive rotations, then one time will come, you will get the same molecule. So BF3 molecule have C3 axis of symmetry. You are rotating this molecule through 120 degree. You are getting the three indistinguishable configurations, and if you further rotate, then you will get the same one. So CNK, CN1, CN, CN many times, K times. So if this N and this N is similar, then you will get the A. What is it means? You have the C3, you have C3, you did with this molecule, you come to here. Again after doing C3, you are getting this one. So C3, now C3, 2, and further if you do, then C3 is 3, means identity, E. So you look at here, where is the C2 axis? Through BF, through this BF, through this BF. So you can do C2 axis of rotation, C2 axis of rotation, C2 axis of rotation. You can see here in BF3, this is boron, this is fluorine, fluorine, fluorine. So your main axis of symmetry C3, but you have the 3C2, and then you can distinguish this C3 also, because this C2 prime, this C2 double prime, because this C2 passing through this BF bond, which is different from this BF bond, this BF bond. So main axis passing through boron and C2 axis passing through BF bonds. So C2 axis means what? 180 degree rotation. C3 means what? 120 degree rotation. So what is the conclusions? How many types of rotations axis present in your molecules? Two types. One is C2, another C3. And C1, automatically every molecule has the C1. So C2 and C3. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it. Thanks for watching.